Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display or embed Google Sheets using plugin or shortcode in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in page and then we are going to install plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write embedpress. So this is plugin we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see embedpress, so click on it. So we are in plugin global setting. Now you see global embed iframe in general. So you can set embed iframe width, embed iframe height according to requirement. Now you see 600 pixel. So you can set according to requirement. Now you see multiple option and then you see shortcode, so click on it. So we are in shortcode. In shortcode we are going to add Google Sheet online link. Now you see, now place and then click on generate. Now you see embedpress has direct integration with classic Gutenberg Elementor editor. So you can add this copy link shortcode anywhere you want in any editor or page. So we copy link. Now go to page and then paste and then click on update. Now page updated done. Go to page and refresh the page. Now you see Google Sheet, Spreadsheet embed in our WordPress using shortcode, and we are using embedpress plugin. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.